Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome to today's market color recap session. This morning we had a very detailed session which covered indices, so we're going to pretty much be looking at the commodity currency market to see how it's doing so far and what we're looking out for. So we're going to start with a look at AUD/USD, zooming in from the H4 time frame. This is what I'm currently seeing on this asset class. Please forgive the noise in the background. So what's AUD/USD currently doing? It's been buying for a long time. My bias, looking at the charts at a glance, is a buy here because predominantly everything is pushing upward. Zooming in now to see what price is currently doing. We saw when price gave us this retracement. This was a zone we marked out. Price gave us this retracement and it's starting to react. Now, because I have a clear bias on H4 and I'm expecting price to sell till we see a new sunshine before the buy now resumes, let's just quickly go to H1 to mark out some levels. So on H1, what am I now seeing? I'm basically seeing this. This is a point of interest. And this, let me take out this zone. Don't think we really need it right now. This is a point of interest. This is also a point of interest. POI1, 0.66184 and 0.67028. Price has now broken through this level. However, it's still kind of in the range. So it has broken through the exact price point, but still within this range of these indicators. If price is able to trade lower, then the buy could resume. However, if price goes to take a deeper retracement, targeting some liquidities on the way, there's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So if price comes to trade lower, even a lot of diagonal liquidity lying down around the zone, we may see more push downward before the sell resumes. That's why I was saying, okay, well, there might be a sell from here, maybe into the zone, or even come and find support around this level, continue to buy. So right now, by then, a new sunshine will be printed, which will now confirm to us that the buy of AUD/USD is back in full force here. So on M5, I'm just going to pretty much mark out yesterday's high, low, day before yesterday's high and low. Mark that out into today's price movement. So these are now the 4 POIs that I'm watching out for. I'm saying we're seeing a temporal sell here. This sell could even come and find support around this point of interest. That's what they sell for. Either you serve as previous resistance to support or this support level holding. So price can sell into these ones and find support, give us confirmation, and the buy would happen, especially if it's a strong moving market. However, if it's a situation where we're going to be seeing deeper retracement, then we know the level where we're targeting, either here or somewhere around this zone could now be a new support level because this is a key area that could hold. So mark that into today's price movement. This could be the third touch before it continues upward. So what am I basically saying on AUD/USD? I'm saying I'm seeing room for a bit more sell before the buy resumes. My overall bias is a buy. I'm seeing a bit more sell. However, if this sell continues to or starts to happen and is able to break through that 5-minute POIs, break through this, and this, I know that there's going to be a deeper retracement that I'll be targeting either 0.66645 or 0.6618. This is the 1 hour time frame, so it will take a long time. It may not get here, but regardless, it is a POI that we'll be watching out for. Okay, then moving on to USD CAD, starting from the H4 time frame as well. These were past markups that we did last week, Thursday, I believe, delivered as expected. So I'm just going to pretty much take this out from the charts so we can focus on today. What am I now saying? Predominantly to the downside here. However, we saw USD CAD give us a change of character. It broke the structure point again. So there are multiple breaks of USD CAD to the upside, which made me believe that it was going to be a sell. The buy could resume from there. So looking to H1 now, this is now a point of interest where USD CAD can buy from, or even here, POI1, POI2, yeah? So I'm pretty much waiting. Go back to H4 so you can see the big picture that I'm looking at. I'm saying major structure is to the downside. Price has broken structure points now, so there could be a resumption of the buy here that will continue to break structure till we see a whole new trend formed. However, if that does not happen, this could also be a deep retracement that just wants to continue to sell from here, and price will violate those zones. Now, that's why we wait for confirmations. If those zones get broken out, we can now say, okay, oh, this buy is not going to happen. Looking at the structure from somewhere around 25th November all the way to 16th of December, this could just be 50 to 61.8 Fibonacci level retracement for the sell to occur. That is why we'll be waiting for confirmations to now take one of the buyers that we're looking at, because for this asset class, both probabilities are there. Remember, we never want to force our way into the market. We want to see it clear as day without any sort of doubt. And in that kind of situation, even if a loss does occur, you know that you respected what you were supposed to respect. So yesterday's high, yesterday's low, marked out. There's multiple stop losses lying around here that price to come and take. That's liquidity. So this is it, 1, 2, and then this is marked out. This is marked out. This is marked out. It's going to be somewhere around here, all the way up. This is in a range. USD CAD is currently in a range, but I'm thinking price would break through this level. But we're going to watch, right? We're not the market makers. We only follow what we've seen play out several times. So if price comes here and we break through this level, I know that USD CAD will take a deeper sell into 1.37660. And if it's not going to break through, it's going to find support here, give us confirmational buyers on the M1 time frame, and then we'll take a buy that will take out all of these structure points and continue to buy. However, I'm thinking we could see a deeper retracement on USD CAD for a sell. We'll watch and see. Wherever or whatever buyers we see confirmations on, we are going to, take advantage of that. Peeps online, good afternoon, sir. NZD-USD. Let's see what this guy is doing. So price has broken a lot of structure points to the downside. But from here, this is a major structure point. So it looks kind of, mixed. From what I'm seeing now, it's not as separated as I would want. So I don't want to call it a range because it's not exactly a range, but it's kind of chopped up. It's breaking to the downside. So because of this break that we saw, the last sunshine printed here, I believe we're going to see another sunshine printed on NZD-USD on the opposite direction, which will be on the upside. So go to H1 to have a better bias, mark out my point of interest, as I'll always do. 0.57503, 0.57559, 0.57817. These are now my 3 points of interest. So I'm saying this could have been a retracement that could just find support at either of these levels and then give us that buy that will print a new sunshine on H4. Yeah. So looking at that, let's go to M5 and mark out the 4 basic levels that we love to mark out every time. Sorry, ships. Okay. So POI1, POI2, POI3. This happens to have confluence. This is a POI that is serving for 2. So this is what I'm watching out for. This is a move that will do this. This is what NZD-USD is going to do. It's going to buy back into this zone. If it fails to take out this level, we're going to see sell, a deeper sell of NZD-USD into this zone, provided it takes out this level point, of course. If it breaks through, we're coming here. If not, this is a support level that is currently has a key level 0.57559. There's no confirmation yet, so there's no need to go on the M1 time frame. This is just one candle. But once you see a confirmation, then we'll now take the buy bias. Let me know if you have any questions so far. Happy New Year, sir. How was the holidays? How has this year been treating you? That's pretty much it for what we're looking at this session. If you do happen to have any questions, please let me know. If it was also helpful, just leave an emoji for me in the chat box. So we can call it a wrap to reconvene tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. for a fresh market outlook. Thank you, my boss. I salute you, sir. I remain loyal. All right, with that being said, do have an amazing trading day and trading week. Cheers and God bless. See you tomorrow.